When I find myself really excited about painting or drawing or just video editing, I do find it a challenge to put into words just exactly how I feel. Don't get me wrong, my poor family and friends, because oh, do I try. Now, fortunately, I don't think I've incriminated myself too much on this channel yet, but seriously, it's so hard to just not fill my videos with arm dancing and other bizarre movements to try and portray how much fun I'm having. It's actually super crazy because when I'm in the zone and I'm doing the art and the project is going well, my brain is on fire and I'm not actually saying anything. But anyways, I felt that way about this particular planter I did. I just love how it came out. Filming felt differently, and I felt like I was finally getting somewhere. So it's needless to say, I'm super big time, over the top excited about this video, this creation, just everything. So I just wanted to share that with you all. I also wanted to welcome some of my newest subscribers. Welcome! I'm excited to have you here, our little group of alcohol ink enthusiasts, or, I mean, who am I kidding? You've probably known me for years and I forced you to follow me. So, thanks! Welcome to you as well. You're probably the majority. As I was saying though, there was something different about this entire process of painting this particular pot. I don't know if it was a different level of comfort or confidence with the inks, or just really enjoying the flow of color. I mean, look at it, right? Just the way the ink is blending together and moving. It just seemed really dreamy and relaxing to me. So honestly, you can tell it's very satisfying to do this form of art, and hopefully it's just as satisfying for you to watch. So at this point, I just had to say something about how pleased I felt with how it all went finally, because prior to this, I've been having some major fails, just things not coming together whatsoever. So a few of those moments where I thought to myself, what have I gotten myself into? So it was good. It was a relief, finding my way around my art table again. So you may have noticed I'm not speeding any of the footage up for this video. It's all real-time footage, and there's a reason for that. I want you guys to just get an impression of how long it takes for each little section of a painting, how long it takes. Now, it doesn't actually take that long if I'm doing a smaller pot or a smaller painting, of course, but it's not as fast as I thought it maybe was supposed to be done. When I first started doing inks, I felt really stressed. I felt like I was trying to be creative and let things flow, but at the same time I had to have a panic attack and rush while I was doing it. So it felt a bit chaotic, but now I do feel a little bit more calm. Like I said, I feel like things are coming together a bit more. So tip, if you're here for tips, take your time. Let the inks move naturally and get used to watching them move, because they obviously have certain tendencies, which that's part of the enjoyment of doing this form of art, is just seeing what the inks do. The other thing is let them dry naturally a bit more too. In the beginning, I thought I had to dry everything on my own, with the dust blower. And you don't. Actually, sometimes letting the ink dry on its own gives it a really unique look, but I like the mixture of the two. So anyways, you guys just let me know what you think. Did you even get this far in the video? If you did, thank you. Consider subscribing to my little channel. I would love to have you here. And on that note, please enjoy the rest of the video.